Hi, I'm Divya Lohkare from Shaya Enterprises. Thank you for inquiring with us. Me and my husband Akshay Ole have been doing this saffron farming since last 5 years. We are into producing saffron. We produce original Kashmiri saffrons from the seeds brought from Kashmir. We also sell saffron under our brand Shaya Saffron. We are also into training clients. We also help our clients to set up their projects. We also are into turnkey projects. We also provide franchisees under Shaya. So, as per your inquiry, we would like to share you details regarding our training packages. There are 3 packages into which our complete working and services have been divided. The first package is of 7,000, which includes training. That includes technological training as well as the training regarding saffron farming. We also help you understand how to set up your own saffron project. We also provide you the farm visit on the very same day when you will be coming here for training. We provide training in both the modes, that is online as well as offline mode. Our online training programs have been mostly scheduled on Saturdays, whereas our offline training program is scheduled mostly on Sundays. Our 7,000 training package includes training as well as farm visit. Our second package is of 10,000. It includes training, farm visit, and we'll connecting you with the vendors for setting up your own saffron project. After that, the project is your responsibility. We are also on to 15,000 training package in which we provide training, farm visit. We provide you all the hand-holding and support and guidance during the production process. We also provide you guidance before the production process as well as after the production process. We provide you environmental factors data for 4 months period every day through WhatsApp, and that too not in the first year but also every year till the time you are going to take the production. We'll also help you in creating your own brand for selling saffron. We'll be guiding you in all the machineries part, we'll be guiding you in all the equipments part, plantation part, harvesting, flowering and selling part. We'll help you in marketing as well. If you are interested in setting up your own brand, we'll help you in licensing too. But if you're not interested in setting up your own brand, we'll help by taking it buyback from you. Our sale price of saffron in the market is 630 rupees per gram, which we sell through online as well as offline mode. We are selling through our website shayenterprises.com. We are also selling it on Amazon. We are selling it in offline market as well as many social media channels. I would like to share you the journey of Shaya Enterprises. We bought only 100 seeds from Kashmir and we started this journey. First of all, we took the produce from only 100 seed and then we kept on expanding. Our project started with 80 square feet, then we expanded to 150, and as of now we are having total area of 480 square feet of area where we are taking the production. Out of which 400 square feet of area is our completely production house, of which we sell into Shaya Saffron. The remaining 80 square feet of area where we are taking the production is completely dedicated for our trainees, whom we help to understand all the practical things by taking them to that lab, explaining them about the machineries and equipments and seeds as well. We, as on today in 2024, we are having 29 franchisees all over Maharashtra. We are also scaling onto other states too. We are also trying onto international market. This year, from our own production house, we have produced 4.73 kgs of saffron, which amounts nearly to 30 lakhs rupees. From the several franchisees which we are having, that is 29 franchisees, we have produced 45 kgs of saffron. This year, we are expanding more through other states too. Now, I would like to throw light upon the investment, the cycle of saffron production as well as the return on investment. The total cycle of saffron production is of 12 months. It is divided into 2 parts. First part is from August to December, which is termed as production period, and the remaining 8 months is of multiplication as well as dormancy stage. So, when you will be starting your project in August, the production period will be completed by December, and the remaining period, that is multiplication and dormancy, is carried on from January to July. For the initial cost of investment, which is the most important question which the clients ask, for the initial investment for starting the smallest unit, that is of 150 square feet, we will be requiring a small piece of land, that is 150 square feet of land, which can be your terrace, your balcony, your garden area, your parking, or either your room. So, first of all, you will be requiring a small space of land, that is 150 square feet, plus an additional investment of 11.5 to 12 lakhs. This 12 lakhs of investment includes the cost of insulated room, which is having a lifespan of near about 22 to 25 years. So, once your insulated room is ready, you do not need to worry about it till 25 years. The initial investment also includes the cost of all the equipments and machineries which is required to maintain all the environmental factors inside that room. These machineries and equipments have a lifespan of near about 12 to 15 years. This means you do not need to worry about the equipments and machineries for next many more years. This investment also includes the cost of seeds. The seeds have a lifespan of near about 5 to 7 years, and the seeds multiply themselves. As mentioned earlier, the remaining time period after the production period is of multiplication stage. So these seeds multiply themselves every year. So you do not need to buy seeds every year. This means whatever investment you are going to make will be only one-time investment. Now let's talk about return on investment. The return on investment after investing 12 lakhs of amount as an initial investment is near about 2 to 3 years. This means 2 to 3 cycles of saffron production. For the first time, that is after plantation in August, the production period lasts up to 4 months, that is in December. After December this year, you will be having a produce of nearly about 700 to 800 grams. The cost is 600 rupees per gram is what we are selling. So after 4 months, you will be having a produce of 700 to 800 grams only for the first year. The production for the first year is on a lower side just because the seeds you are bringing from Kashmir is used to the traditional farming environment, that is they are used to soil as well as water. But when you are moving them to technological environment, it gets difficult for them to adjust to it. So the production will be on lower side. Plus the seeds are of a smaller age, that is why it takes time for them to get adaptive. In the next year, definitely the production will be on a higher side, that is 1100 to 1200 grams. Because the seeds will be now adaptive to your technological environment, plus the seeds will be mature, as well as the age of the seeds will increase. So with the increase in the age, definitely the production will be higher. That is why we say that the return on investment is probably 2 to 3 years, that is 2 to 3 cycles of saffron production. So if you are really interested in joining our program, we request you to enroll through any of our media. After this message, we'll be forwarding you the dates of our next training batches as well as payment links. You can join us by making 50% advance payment amount by pre-booking your seat on any of the date. The remaining 50% of the amount you have to pay after coming to the training program. So I request you all to join us, and as of now we are having 5,800 square feet of total area under our franchisee setups. We request you to join us so that we can expand in every state. Thank you so much.